Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to make alarm sound from TikTok. Using a TikTok sound as your alarm lets you wake up to a custom and familiar audio clip. Since TikTok doesn't directly allow setting sounds as alarms, you'll need to download and convert the audio first. Once saved on your phone, you can set it as your alarm tone easily. To begin, launch the TikTok on your phone. Find the sound that you want. You can browse or search for a video with your desired audio. Copy the video link. Tap the share and select copy link. Open a browser or use the Chrome or any browser on your phone. Go to a TikTok downloader site. Search for TikTok video downloader. Paste the link. Insert the copied URL into the downloader, then tap download. Download the video or audio. Choose MP3 if available, or download the video. Wait for the download to complete. Save the file to your phone. Make sure it's stored in your downloads or music folder. Open Clock. On your Clock app, go to the Alarm tab. Create or just select your Create Alarm. Then tap on Alarm Sound. Select Custom Sound. Tap Add New or From Storage. Choose your downloaded audio. Select the TikTok sound file. And the TikTok sound has been your alarm sound.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.